This time we stayed at 𝗶𝗟𝗀𝗟𝗏𝗧𝗏 RV Resort in Grangeville, Idaho. Beautiful area. We really enjoyed it there.
We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our two K&N motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video.
We've never been to this section of the country, and first of all, I got to tell you, it is just absolutely gorgeous. And so I'm going to have to start this video with some pictures of our route traveling to the campground. Traveling north in Idaho on Highway 95. It is just beautiful. Now on to 𝗶𝗟𝗀𝗟𝗏𝗧𝗦 Campground in Grangeville, Idaho.
Arriving at 𝗶𝗟𝗀𝗟𝗏𝗧𝗦 RV Resort.
We're in that row right there. Well, the office is up here. We are going to take every inch of it. We requested a large end pull-through in advance, and she saved us Site 19 for an easy in and easy out. We are in Site 19, the end site at 𝗶𝗟𝗀𝗟𝗏𝗧𝗦 RV Resort in Grangeville, Idaho. It is easy access on and off Highway 95. Pretty landscape. And you drive down there about 20 miles, 15-20 miles, and you will be driving into the mountains. It was a gorgeous ride here. When you come off of Highway 95, you will turn down Fish Hatchery Road, and right away you will see the entrance to 𝗶𝗟𝗀𝗟𝗏𝗧𝗦 RV Resort. It's a small park, but the sites that are pull-throughs are pretty good size. Full hookup, no pool.
I guess they can't hassle you about the age of your RV.
And Cassie and her husband have only been here for a couple of months, and they've made this place just beautiful. She likes flowers, and she's got flowers all around. Bathrooms are very clean. With the tax and all that, it comes to around $51 a night. Sites are about 80 feet long. Some of them are. There's the office. They will send you an email in advance to let you know what site you're in, and that way you can just come in and park and then go in and get registered. They have extra parking over here for trailers and such, and you can let your dog run and play out here. And they are open year-round. And they also have propane. And then they have some back-end sites on the back side, on the left side as you come in.
Looks like there's quite a few
Full-timers.
yeah,
Annuals. Yeah, when you see the big propane tank, you know they're not going anywhere, especially with insulation wrapped all around it. I think probably a lot of people use it as a good stopover traveling through Idaho, but there is stuff to do around here as well. We're looking forward to our ATV ride and our jet boat ride on the Salmon River. Guess you'd have to be careful about the trees, but it looks like they're keeping them trimmed. And I asked for an end site when I contacted them. You can make your reservations online. And we are down here. Everything fits. There's your free laundry. Haha, they do have laundry in here. Nice little porch with a grill. We got some cabins that you can rent as well. Office up front. This is on the side and the back. And you have your own room for your shower, sink and toilet, a little bench and some hooks. Very clean. And we'll go back through the back side of the office here. Nice little sitting area. Stove, microwave, refrigerator. TV in here you can watch. Games and books you can share. And more showers in here. Just a regular restroom there. And here's where the big shower is. Very nice. And they even have complimentary bath mats for you. Little coffee area, water, and then here's your laundry. Little folding tables. Buy your soap in here. And 3 washers, 3 dryers. $1.50. That's the door you would normally come in when you come to register. And as you come in, you'll see they have an assortment of ice cream. So you go up to the desk, and Cassie, the manager, will check you in. And I'll tell you what, we've been traveling for over 5 years full-time in our RV all over the United States, and she is the nicest campground manager we have ever met. Right now she's out helping somebody. You will find some assorted items that you may need for your RV in here and information on what there is to do around here. We're going to be taking a jet boat tour and renting an ATV. So we're going to be having some fun here. We're only here for 4 days, but so far we're loving it.
Grangeville has a population of just over 3,400 people, but the downtown area is quaint, and the pizza from Pizza Factory was very good. We also took a gorgeous drive into Stytes, Idaho to have a steak dinner at the new South Fork River Ranch Steakhouse. If you didn't see the video on this unique restaurant, it's linked above and in the description below. It's just gorgeous there, and the steaks are huge.
The boat has arrived. Killgore Adventures.
Our most popular tour is our 6-hour Wild River Tour, which takes you 32 miles through the deepest, most rugged part of Hell's Canyon. With all the whitewater rapids, the most wildlife.
We also rented an ATV for half a day from Killgore Adventures in Whitebird, Idaho. Beautiful ride. No guide. We ran out of time, but one thing we wanted to do was go tanking. Tanking starts with a stock tank or river and a group of people who want to float down the river in a stock tank. Never seen anything like it. Looks like it'd be a really fun time. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.